it's not too late to get flood insurance. 12 News' Kate Cornell has a few tips for future insurance purchasers.
I'm on Carnes Street right now, which was heavily flooded a couple of days ago. Some cars were almost completely submerged in the water.
There are a few different types of policies to consider when shopping around for auto insurance. Keith Halsey at the Madison Nationwide Insurance Branch says that comprehensive is the magic word.
If you're driving straight through water, you see it and you can't avoid it, and it's a situation where you know you're going to hit it, yes, you are still covered under your comprehensive portion of your policy.
Coming up, Halsey will explain to us what situations will not be covered. In Jackson, Kate Cornell, 12 News.